Golden Sunsets. A delicious Chinese dessert recipe. This recipe serves 12 tarts. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 25 to 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 200 grams all-purpose flour, 115 grams unsalted butter, 35 grams powdered sugar, a half large egg, 1/8 teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 pieces large eggs, 150 milliliters hot water, 65 grams granulated sugar, 50 milliliters evaporated milk. Step 1. Prepare the sugar syrup for the custard by dissolving the granulated sugar into the hot water. Stir until completely clear and set aside to cool to room temperature. Step 2. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the sifted flour, powdered sugar, and salt. Add the cold, cubed butter. Step 3. Using your fingertips or a pastry cutter, rub the butter into the flour until the mixture resembles coarse breadcrumbs with no large lumps remaining. Step 4. Add the half-beaten egg and vanilla extract to the flour mixture. Gently knead until a smooth dough forms. Do not overwork the dough, or the crust will become tough. Step 5. Wrap the dough in plastic wrap and flatten it into a disc. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes to allow the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up. Step 6. While the dough rests, finish the custard. In a medium bowl, whisk the 2 eggs gently. Avoid creating too many air bubbles. Step 7. Slowly pour the cool sugar syrup and the evaporated milk into the eggs, whisking constantly but gently. Stir in the vanilla extract. Step 8. Strain the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve twice. This is the secret to a glass-smooth finish. Set aside. Step 9. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Lightly grease 12 tart molds. Step 10. Roll out the chilled dough on a lightly floured surface to about 3 to 4 mm thickness. Use a round fluted cutter to cut circles slightly larger than your tart molds. Step 11. Press the dough circles gently into the molds, ensuring the pastry reaches the top edges. Prick the bottom lightly with a toothpick, optional. Step 12. Place the tart shells on a baking tray. Carefully pour the custard into each shell until about 80 to 90% full. Step 13. Bake in the lower rack of the oven for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Step 14. The tarts are done when the custard has puffed up slightly and a toothpick can stand upright in the center. The crust should be light golden. Step 15. Cool the tarts in the molds for 5 to 10 minutes before carefully unmolding. Serve warm for the best experience. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.